Lord, we kindly see the last order.
Lord, we have filed affidavit on 12th April 2020.
क्या एफिडेविट फाइल किया?
This is by the PS Marot that again a meeting was convened on 5th of April and it was decided that a competent approval will be sought to extend the benefit as per the prior order of the Tribal Development Department and a cabinet pressy has been forwarded. The
जी.
Marot, the cabinet
एक सेकंड. जी, क्या कर दी कैबिनेट ट्रस्टी ने आपकी?
Marot, we have forwarded for seeking approval. And the cabinet, Marot, it is not being convened currently. Once it is convened, Marot, it will be placed before the cabinet.
कब कन्वीन होगी कैबिनेट?
Marot, after
File
the
affidavit of the chief secretary that cabinet is not going to be convened till the end of the elections. You file affidavit of the chief secretary that elections, ongoing elections prohibits convening the meeting of the cabinet and cabinet becomes functiones officio during the election. फाइल कर.
सर्कुलर पेश करने के लिए
हाँ हाँ. लिखिएगा let affidavit of the chief secretary be filed that cabinet cannot meet during the currency of the Lok Sabha elections and there is any legal embargo or prohibition on convening the meeting of the cabinet when the elections of the Lok Sabha or for Vidhan Sabha are undergoing. Full stop. He will quote the relevant rules and procedure and will also swear an affidavit that no matter is being referred to the cabinet, however urgent it may be, because of the pendency of the Lok Sabha. Full stop. Pendency of election to the Lok Sabha. Let affidavit of the Chief Secretary be filed within 7 days. List on 22 अप्रैल 2024. ठीक है? 23 अप्रैल कर दी. 23 अप्रैल 2024.
They are saying that cabinet needs to be assembled and that approval has to be granted. Manoj has already seen that document. They have already granted Lord Mantri ji के अनुमोदन से the DA has already been allowed to the city.
देख लिया था इसलिए तो जितना उलझाना चाहते हैं इनको उतना आने दीजिए मुख्य सचिव महोदय का एफिडेविट. कैबिनेट नहीं हो सकती है. क्या पैरालिसिस हो जाता है क्या? सरकार पैरालाइज हो जाती है? चुनाव जब आते हैं तो सरकार पैरालाइज हो जाती है क्या? आज ही पेपर में आया 2000 वर्ग फीट तक के मकानों में कोई जरूरत नहीं है परमिशन लेने की. ये क्या निर्णय किसने लिया? अगर लोकसभा के चुनाव में आप निर्णय नहीं ले सकते तो इस तरीके के निर्णय कौन लेता है? चाहते हैं इसका कोट करना चाहते हैं तो ये भी कोट कर दूं मैं.
नहीं,
तो फिर वो निर्णय की फाइल भी आ जाएगी कि ऐसे निर्णय कौन ले रहा है. जो आप निर्णय लेना चाहते हैं वो ले लेते हैं. कर्मचारियों के हित के निर्णय लेने के लिए आपको कैबिनेट करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी और वो हो नहीं सकती. चलिए. He will also point out that whether sanction in regard to the subject matter be not taken by holding a meeting through rotation. चलिए.